Annie, are you okay? Will you tell us that you're okay? There's a sign at the window that he struck you. You should know, Annie. He came into your apartment, left the bloodstains on the carpet, and then you ran into the bedroom. You were struck down. It was your doing.